Welcome to Birdhouse Building. Today, we're going to embark on a delightful journey of crafting a cozy home for our feathered friends. Whether you're a seasoned woodworker or a complete beginner, building a birdhouse is a rewarding and enjoyable project that anyone can do. So let's dive in and explore the wonderful world of birdhouse building together. Building a birdhouse is fun. You can do it. It's a fantastic way to spend quality time with family and friends, and it's an excellent opportunity to teach children about nature and the importance of providing shelter for birds. Imagine the joy and satisfaction of seeing birds make a home in something you've created with your own hands. Plus, it's a great way to develop your woodworking skills and learn new techniques. It is a great way to enjoy the outdoors. Working on a birdhouse project allows you to soak up the sunshine, breathe in the fresh air, and connect with nature. Whether you're working in your backyard, on a patio, or in a community garden, the experience is both relaxing and invigorating. You'll find that the process of measuring, cutting, and assembling the birdhouse parts is not only therapeutic but also a wonderful way to unwind and de-stress, and you will help birds find a home. By building a birdhouse, you're providing a safe and secure place for birds to nest and raise their young. This is especially important in urban areas where natural nesting sites may be scarce. Your birdhouse can become a sanctuary for various bird species, offering them protection from predators and harsh weather conditions. Watching birds thrive in the home you've built is a truly heartwarming experience. This guide will help you build a birdhouse. We've put together a comprehensive step-by-step guide that will walk you through the entire process, from gathering materials to the final assembly. You'll find detailed instructions, helpful tips, and clear illustrations to ensure that your birdhouse turns out just right. Whether you prefer a simple design or something more elaborate, our guide has got you covered. We will use simple steps. Our approach is straightforward and easy to follow, making it accessible for everyone. We'll break down each step into manageable tasks, so you won't feel overwhelmed. From cutting the wood pieces to assembling the parts and adding the finishing touches, we'll guide you every step of the way. You'll be amazed at how quickly and easily your birdhouse comes together. You will need some tools and materials. Let's get started. Before we begin, let's gather all the necessary tools and materials. You'll need some basic woodworking tools like a saw, hammer, nails, and sandpaper, as well as materials such as wood, screws, and paint. Don't worry if you don't have everything on hand. We'll provide a complete list and suggest alternatives where possible. Once you have everything ready, we'll dive into the exciting process of building your very own birdhouse. So roll up your sleeves and let's get started on this fun and fulfilling project. Before you start, gather your tools. This is a crucial step to ensure that your project goes smoothly and efficiently. Having everything you need within arm's reach will save you time and prevent unnecessary frustration. You will need a saw, which is essential for cutting your wood to the desired lengths and shapes. Make sure your saw is sharp and in good condition to make clean cuts. A hammer is necessary for driving nails into the wood, while a screwdriver will help you with screws. A drill is versatile for making holes and driving screws quickly. Don't forget your safety glasses to protect your eyes from any flying debris. You will also need these materials. Wood, with pine or cedar being excellent choices due to their durability and ease of use. Select pieces that are straight and free of knots for the best results. Additionally, gather nails and screws to fasten your pieces together securely. Wood glue is great for adding extra strength to your joints. If you want to add a personal touch or protect your project from the elements, consider using paint. Organizing these materials beforehand will streamline your workflow and help you stay focused on the task at hand. Safety is important. Wear your safety glasses, be careful with sharp tools. Ask an adult for help if you need it. Never use a tool you don't understand. If you are unsure, ask for help. Cut the wood, follow the measurements. Make 4 walls, make a square floor. Use nails or screws. Attach the walls to the floor. Make sure the corners are square. Alright, now let's move on to section 5, creating the roof. This is one of the most exciting parts of building a birdhouse because it really brings the whole structure together. A well-crafted roof not only adds to the aesthetic appeal, but also provides essential protection from the elements. So let's dive in and get started on this crucial step. First, cut 2 pieces of wood. These pieces will form the main structure of your roof. It's important to measure carefully to ensure that both pieces are of equal size. This will help in achieving a balanced and symmetrical roof. Use a saw to make precise cuts and always remember to follow safety protocols while handling sharp tools. These will be the roof panels. Lay them out on your workbench and double-check the measurements. It's always a good idea to sand the edges to smooth out any rough spots. This not only makes the panels easier to handle but also gives a more polished look to your finished birdhouse. Make sure they overlap the walls, giving your birdhouse that snug fit. The overlap is crucial as it ensures that rainwater will run off the roof and not seep into the walls. This small detail can significantly extend the lifespan of your birdhouse, keeping it sturdy and dry for years to come. Next, attach the roof panels using either nails or screws, whatever you prefer. Nails are quicker to use, but screws provide a stronger hold. If you choose screws, pre-drill the holes to prevent the wood from splitting. Secure the panels firmly, ensuring there are no gaps where water could enter. And hey, you can get a bit creative here. Make the roof pointed or flat, it's really up to you. A pointed roof can give a classic look, while a flat roof might be easier to construct and maintain. You can even add decorative elements like shingles or paint to match your garden's theme. The sky's the limit when it comes to personalizing your birdhouse roof. Once the roof is securely attached, consider adding a layer of weatherproof sealant. This will protect the wood from moisture and UV rays, ensuring that your birdhouse remains in great condition through all seasons. If you decide to paint the roof, choose a non-toxic, bird-safe paint. Bright colors can attract birds, but make sure the paint is fully dry and cured before placing the birdhouse outside. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted roof for your birdhouse. Take a moment to admire your work. Not only have you created a functional shelter for birds, but you've also added a charming feature to your garden. Watching birds explore and eventually settle into the birdhouse will be a rewarding experience, knowing that you built it with your own hands. Finally, clean up your workspace and put away your tools. A tidy work area is a safe work area, and it also makes it easier to find everything for your next project. Reflect on the skills you've honed and the creativity you've expressed. Building a birdhouse is a wonderful way to connect with nature and contribute to your local ecosystem. So, hang your birdhouse in a suitable spot, preferably in a quiet area with some shade. Birds will appreciate the shelter and safety it provides. Enjoy watching them make it their home and take pride in the fact that you've created a little haven for them. Happy birdhouse building. Section 6. Cutting the entrance hole. Use a drill, make a hole in the front wall. This is the entrance. The size of the hole is important. Different birds need different sizes. Section 7. Adding a perch. Cut a small piece of wood. This is the perch. Attach it below the entrance hole. The perch helps birds land. It also gives them a place to rest. Section 8. Personalize your birdhouse. Now for the fun part. You can paint your birdhouse. You can add decorations. Make it your own. Be creative. Section 9. Time to welcome your feathered friends. You did it. You built a birdhouse. Now you can hang it outside. Find a safe place. Watch for birds to make it their home. Enjoy.